Hi everyone, thanks for registering for the Iron Palm Heavy Hand workshop that we're going to be doing July 3rd. So this is a list of things you need. A coconut, so this is just a hard shell coconut. You can buy them at most grocery stores, at least here in the US anyway. Try and get one of a regular and consistent shape, so this is pretty round, fits in the hand nice and easy. If you can't find a coconut, don't worry, you can use in its place a river rock. Just make sure it will fit in your hand and it's smooth, no jagged edges, and that it's not too small. So not so big you can't hold it easily, but not so small that it's not a good target. For the other part of the training, we're going to have a pouch like this, a canvas bag. This one is 10 inches by 10 inches or 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters. It's plenty big enough, it could even be a little bit smaller. Essentially the requirement is it's the size of your hand. Filling for these is copper coated BBs. That's what's in this one. I don't recommend that unless you have previous experience doing this. I would recommend either dried beans or rice. Don't use sand because it compacts too quickly and it's not a good medium for this. You can make these yourself out of canvas, but they are quite readily available. I know on Amazon.com. You just put in Iron Palm training bag or something like that, and there's lots of them. So just get a good canvas one, which looks like it can take a bit of punishment. And again, 10 inches by 10 inches is plenty big enough. For the canvas bag training, we need some kind of platform. So the platform we have here is just 8 of these blocks. They cost about $2 each from a hardware store, and they stack really nicely. They're very, very solid. If you don't want to use something like this, you could actually do the training on the ground. I don't necessarily recommend that, but certainly for the workshop we can do that. We just put whatever it is, put your bag on the ground, and you just have to be able to sit in that case and reach. I don't really recommend it because it means a lot of leaning over and we can't work the legs, but it's fine for the workshop. So I definitely recommend something like this, or you could get a purpose-built workbench or make a little table, but it just has to be sturdy so that when you hit it, this doesn't move all over the place. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us or email us, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.